I feel naked. Maybelline, trying to set me up. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Benny. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Please hit the subscribe button and join this growing community. So today we're going to be testing out a new product. Okay, I mean not necessarily new, but new for me. So the product I'm featuring today is the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Perfector 4-in-1 Whipped Matte Makeup. That's a long ass name. So this is it. I already took it out of the packet. I bought this quite a while ago actually, but I never tried it. And this is how it looks. It's in this pink bottle. So it claims to be a 4-in-1 primer, powder, concealer, and BB cream. That is a lot of work for one product. According to this, it says it has 4 benefits. It mattifies, blurs pores, seals blemishes, evens skin tone with light coverage. It says to apply with fingers all over the face. I have hyperpigmentation. My forehead is significantly darker than the rest of my face and my neck and chest. Whenever I'm using foundation, I have to always, match the foundation to even this part of my body, and I really need to cover this side so that it can blend with the rest of my face. And I'm not sure this product can give me what I'm looking for, like if I'm trying to go for like a no makeup but makeup look. Yeah, so I'm really skeptical, but then let's try it. So I'm going to put a little bit of this at the back of my hand. I have the shade 03 Medium Moyen. This was the darkest shade I could find where I am. I live in Budapest. It actually has a very soft and smooth feeling. So I'm just going to, by the way, I already moisturized my face. I didn't prime. This said it's a primer, it's a jack of all trades. So I didn't prime because I want to give this product a chance to prove itself. Okay, and they said I should apply it with my fingers, right? So I'm applying with my fingers. Okay. I think this was also supposed to be like color adapting. So like, even if it's not your perfect shade, even if it's just in the family of your shade, it's supposed to adapt. I think it has a blurring effect. So far, that's what I can see. It kind of feels like that original Maybelline baby face primer, what I kind of get from this. I just feel like all these people that don't know what they are doing. Let me just finish. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I think I just look mattified. Okay guys, so I've finished applying and this is where we are right now. To be honest, I don't think this product was made for people of color, or I don't think it considered people with hyperpigmentation. I feel naked. I'm going to go ahead and finish. So I have this powder palette. It's from Zikel Cosmetics. It's a Nigerian brand. Maybelline, trying to set me up. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is the no foundation, no concealer look. um Overall, I would say not bad. Yeah, I feel like it kind of slightly exceeded my expectations, but if I'm to be very honest with you guys, I think the powder did more of the work than this thing, this Maybelline 4-in-1 perfector thing. I feel like the powder did more of the work here, but I think it also kind of provided a form of base for it. So 5/10 maybe, I would say. I feel this is something that can just be like a really quick fix if you're pressed for time and you know you need to go. 5/10, but I think the powder did more of the work. Let me know what you guys thought about this product, this process, and this look in the comments section, and that will be all from me. I'll see you guys in my next one.